deciding factor. Today we're going to be discussing the rewards program for Momentum, an insurance and investment company. And much like Discovery, it has its own rewards program called Momentum Multiply. It is not as well known, but believe me when I say that it has a few hidden gems which we could all benefit from. Similarly to other rewards programs, Momentum Multiply rewards you for completing certain tasks and activities. Momentum's objective is essentially to help you multiply everything in your life. Well, in this case, the products and rewards they offer you. The Multiply program integrates the various products Momentum offers you, including health, life insurance, car and home insurance, and investments. Let's take a look at how this program works and what's in it for you. Multiply essentially has three membership types for its program. That is the Multiply Starter, Provider, and Premium memberships. Each of these is different in terms of the rewards you receive, with Premium being the best. To get to know how Multiply works, we can look at the qualifying criteria, the activity categories, and the Multiply tier statuses. Most people don't know this, but to join Multiply is actually free. That is, if you join the program as a Multiply Starter member. There are, of course, conditions to joining the Multiply program. Fortunately, though, these conditions are less onerous than when compared to other programs' qualifying criteria, such as with Discovery. This means that you don't have to take out a product you don't need. This being said, Momentum still does entice you to take up its other products and stay on its ecosystem, and I'll cover that a little later in this and the following videos on Momentum Multiply. Despite this, it is actually easier to become a member of Multiply, especially because Momentum does not put too many restrictions on you. For instance, you can have any Momentum product, not just a medical aid or life insurance product. You can have an investment with them, or you could have car and home insurance as well. It doesn't matter. You'll still be eligible to join the Momentum Multiply program. In addition to this, to be allowed to join the Multiply program, you can also be a member of several qualifying medical aid schemes. There's a whole host of them that you can choose from and be a member of, which then gives you permission to join Momentum Multiply. All of these other medical aid schemes allow you to join, choosing either the free starter membership or the paid provider and premium memberships. Again, this makes it easier to become a Multiply member. This adds great value and is, in my opinion, a little better than compared to other loyalty program requirements. The good thing about Momentum Multiply is that it is a program already consolidated, meaning it integrates all its other products and services such as insurance, medical aid, and investments, increasing and combining your earning points potential into one program. This makes it less complicated and easier to navigate. Also, it means that you only pay a single fee as opposed to paying multiple fees for different portions of the program. To qualify to join Multiply, you have to have any Momentum product, or if you are a principal member of the specific qualifying medical schemes. The Momentum products include your Momentum Health Medical Scheme, Momentum Life Insurance, Momentum Investment and Savings, and the Momentum Short-Term Insurance, which is basically your car and home insurance. Relating to the medical schemes, if you are a principal member of these qualifying medical schemes, such as, for instance, the BP Medical Aid Society, there are others, for instance, like the Chartered Accountants and MediMed scheme. But I'm not going to read all of these out for you. If you want to have a look, you could hit the pause button and see them for yourself, and to see if the scheme you are part of is listed here. Some of the above mentioned schemes are specific and or closed company industry programs, but if you are lucky enough to be a member of any of these, you can join Multiply. I myself is part of the ChemF program, and this allows me to join Multiply. Now, to get into the inner workings of the program. The Multiply program entices you to do 4 things and provides you activities to perform in each of these areas, contributing to your overall Multiply status. These include asking you to be healthier, be safer, be on top of your finances, and have cover. I'll be covering each of these areas and will demonstrate to you what activities are available in each and how to achieve them. So check back at my channel for those videos. The Multiply program, in my opinion, was not and probably is not the most popular and mature as Discovery Vitality, but it has made giant leaps in the last several years and has some really good benefits and rewards. You might even think that this program is better suited for you depending on the kind of rewards you actually make use of. So you might find that this program suits you better and provides you more value, especially because it's easier to use and less complicated. This being said, Multiply has made it increasingly more difficult to reach its top tier status, being a club member. Much like Discovery and other programs, you have to perform certain activities and tasks to receive points, and these points then allow you to climb up the tier table. The different multiply tiers are bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and club. The points noted for each level is for a single member. The points levels are double for family members, that is 2 or more people on a single profile. I will cover how to accumulate points and get your tier status up to club in my next videos, so keep an eye out for that video. So what's in it for you? Rewards, of course. Momentum has some great rewards and can be divided into 2 distinct categories they offer you. One, Momentum specific product rewards and discounts, and the other, Multiply partner rewards. For the Momentum rewards, they provide you, and if you have the qualifying products with Momentum, these are up to 60% off your life insurance premiums, up to 3,000 Rand per family per month in health returns, essentially giving you more for your day-to-day medical expenses. Then there's up to 30% cashback for car and home insurance, and lastly up to 60% in employee returns with their funds at work program. Again, we will cover each of these in detail in the next videos, so please check back at my channel for this video if you specifically want to know more about the Momentum rewards you can receive. The other category of rewards, that is the Multiply partner rewards, include partner cashbacks and discounts. Now, Momentum offers you a host of different partner rewards, but each is different in the way you earn, redeem, and receive them. To make this easier to navigate, I will split these into 3 distinct categories and discuss them as follows. That is, partners for which you receive discounts, partners for which you receive cashbacks, and partners for which you redeem discounts on products and services through the Multiply online shop. This being said, the Multiply partners do cover a broad range of reward categories such as travel rewards, entertainment rewards, electronics, healthy living, kids and education, outdoor and living, safety and security, sports and fitness, and other specialty partners. We will cover each of the categories and partner reward types in the next videos. So if you want to know more about these, please do check back at the channel for this video. Now, how do you get Momentum Multiply? Well, fortunately, it is as simple as going to their website and registering for the program. Remember though, you have to ensure that you qualify for the program by either having one of the qualifying Momentum products or being a member of one of the many qualifying medical aid schemes. That is pretty much all you have to do to become a Multiply member and start your journey with great savings and rewards. Let's sum up Momentum Multiply program and take a look at the bad, the good, and the green. Starting with the bad, the Multiply program, although it lives in the shadow of Vitality program, there is not much bad to it. I think it's time it makes itself more visible though. Maybe the worst part is that Momentum has made it difficult to get the club membership status, so this might take some effort from your side. Also, Multiply is not available to all medical aid and insurance schemes out there, and the health discounts don't apply to other qualifying medical aid schemes which allow you to join Momentum Multiply. But really, that is it. It's not too much bad to add. Looking at the good, the program is less complicated and you can have any one of the Momentum products to allow you to join. Further, being a member of other qualifying medical aid schemes also allow you to join. Lastly, there's a whole host of rewards and reward partners to choose from, which you'll find out a lot more about in my next videos. Checking out the green, Multiply has a single fee structure in that you don't have to pay anything extra for integrating your other Momentum products and rewards. Further, to join the Multiply Starter program is actually free, which means you can start earning rewards from day one, and even before you have to pay any membership fees. To join, the provider membership starts at 89 Rand per month, and the premier membership is 258 Rand per month for a single member. However, the fee is still a small price to pay for the rewards you will receive, so it does work out economically for you to join eventually. This was a brief introduction into Momentum Multiply. Next up, we will cover the Momentum rewards, then we will take a look at the Multiply partner rewards. Then in the next video, we will go into the Multiply activities one needs to complete. And in my last video in the Momentum series, we'll be covering rounding up and guiding you on how to get the all-elusive private club status. Until then, remember, the greatest of rewards come from making the best of decisions. Happy loyaltering.